So for this video, I'm continue off of the ExpressRoute overview, but that doesn't matter. I didn't do anything that one, so I'm starting fresh. But this video, I'm creating an ExpressRoute circuit. So anyway, let's get started. Create a resource. Express. So ExpressRoute. Create. Resource group, region, and do East US and give it a name. ExpressRoute. Go to configuration. And since I'm just creating the ExpressRoute circuit, I'm not actually going to contact the provider because they won't accept it because I don't have the required hardware to form a ExpressRoute connection and everything. It doesn't matter, but you can choose direct to use Microsoft's backbone or provider. So you can create one or you could import it, but they have like a list, based on, Azure's presence in the world. So they have a lot of different places. So I'll just pick whatever, it doesn't matter. So then you choose the peering location, I'll choose mobile. Bandwidth, the higher you choose, the more you pay. So I'll just choose less. And the SKU, if you do premium, then you get the service or the feature where I chose East, so I could only connect to resources in East. But if I do premium, then I could across regions. So it just gets rid of the regional constraint on it. You could connect to any region. So I don't want to pay more, so I'll choose standard. And you got the billing model, metered or unlimited. I talked about that in the overview. And so I'm just going to leave everything as is. I don't need a tag, so I'm going to create and come back when it's ready. Alright, it's ready. Let's go to our ExpressRoute circuit. And if you notice in the overview, circuit statuses were enabled, but the provider status is not provisioned. So we can't do anything until we initiate the service with our provider, or we provision it. So to do that, you contact the provider, and to complete the circuit, and you have your service key, which is private to you. That's unique to you. So you just give them the key, and then they'll provision the circuit for you. So again, I'm not going to do that because I don't have the infrastructure in place to. But you could go to configuration and change that. You go to connections after your provision, and you go to peerings. So once you have your circuit in place, then you could go ahead and create peering connections. So let's say you want to connect your on-premises network to the Azure virtual network. You would use Azure private. Or let's say you wanted to connect to Microsoft services like the storage account or Office 365, then you would use a Microsoft peering connection. Well, Microsoft's Office 365 and public is a storage account. This is the platform as a service. So, and anyway, so that's how to create the ExpressRoute circuit.